Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. We are starting off barefaced. I am trying to get into a routine. A stay ready so you don't gotta get ready kind of a vibe. And today's video is in partnership with e.l.f. Cosmetics and MagicLinks. Thank you so much for partnering with me. And one thing about e.l.f. is they are going to give you quality at an affordable price. We all know and love us some e.l.f. But let me put you on to their SPF. I have 4 different SPF options to share with you. These are all part of their Suntouchable line. So we have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Suntouchable Invisi-Stick with SPF 50. It's water resistant and super convenient for on the go, for a quick touch up. This one glides on clear and is non-sticky, non-greasy, which is really nice, especially if you want to reapply. If you want to throw this in your bag and reapply, it doesn't get weird on the skin. It doesn't pill. It's not going to mess up your makeup. It's just really, really convenient in this type of packaging. Then we have the Suntouchable Invisible Sunscreen. Invisible sunscreen is really nice because it is completely clear and it has this really nice velvety finish. It feels like a primer. It gives a very blurred natural finish. Then we have the Suntouchable Whoa Glow, and this one also works as a makeup primer. It gives the most insane glow. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Shelby Ann. Love her makeup routines. She's always doing like a full face of glam using affordable products. Love watching her, and she's always raving about this specific one, the Whoa Glow, and I have mine in the shade Sunbeam. This one's boosted with aloe, hyaluronic acid, and squalane. This one comes in different shades. I went with Sunbeam. Like, look at the glow. Again, if you want to wear this without makeup or under makeup. And they also have SPF in the form of a spray. This one you can actually use as a setting spray. Really lock it all in. This one has a fine mist, no white cast. I'm gonna go in with the Invisible Sunscreen in my T-zone and then Whoa Glow for the rest of my face. Super blurring. You see that right there? And then the Whoa Glow in Sunbeam. Of course, I'll have links to everything down below. We are glowing. You guys actually put me onto this. This is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm in Strawberry Shortcake. It gives a nice cute little pink tint. I'm gonna do a little brow gel. This is the e.l.f. Brow Laminating Gel. I feel like the most important things for me when I'm doing a no makeup or just like a quick makeup is brows. It's really important to not skip a brow gel. I feel like the brows really frame the face and it just makes you look instantly put together when you groom them. I haven't gotten lash extensions in a really long time, so something else I never skip is mascara. This is the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. I'm going to do some light concealing because we're not using foundation. Spot conceal, you know. I have the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and their Hydrating Camo Concealer. Not contouring the nose, but just putting the bronzer on top. We're gonna bring a little color to the face, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo blush, and I'm using the shade Peach Perfect, which is a really pretty, like, natural peachy color. No effort needed. This blush is so good. I need to pick it up in more shades. A little blush on the nose. Something else I do not skip is lip liner and powder. Lip liner, just because I feel like my lip line isn't so prominent, just to bring back the shape. Something super close to your lip color. Just to kind of bring out the lip a little. If I had dry skin, I would leave it just like this, but my skin is very oily, so I am going to set it just a little. I always have to powder, whether it's loose, pressed. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. This is in the shade Light Pink, which I love for brightening, and I'm really gonna focus this under my eyes. Powdering my skin really helps with any texture, any creasing, so really it helps blur. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Pressed Powder, and this is in Fair Warm. I'm gonna set the cream bronzer with powder bronzer. You know you're gonna be in the sun, sweating. Key is to lock in those creams with powder. If you want it long lasting, go ahead and set it with some powder, okay? And we're gonna lock it in with the All Set for Sun. It doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on, but I feel good. When you look good, you feel good, you do good. Take that time for yourself. It's very important. Not only am I protected from the sun, but I also have a really nice glowy dewy base powdered in the right areas. It's gonna last a really long time. I could go ahead and throw the Invisistick into my purse and reapply, or even the SPF spray. I can throw either of these in my pool bag, my beach bag, my everyday bag, and I could be good to go. SPF really does help your makeup look even better, so it's a double win. Small AirPods today. Also have my Aura ring.
If it needs any attention, let me know. We'll make it right.
Thank you. My girl Candace put me on black iced tea with the raspberry. So good. Favorite spot.
Proud, Whole Foods, Target, H&M.
Good times.
Good times.
Hi, baby. Baby. And there's the baby. They got the biggest heart.
You have to make a prayer as you pick one.
Okay.
No, you pray as you pick.
Okay. Oh, there you go. The whole. Oh, he's gonna find me always, and I'll find him. Oh yeah. There you go. And now we're going to Publix. We're food shopping with Mother. Sunday fun day. Okay, now
Don't get it.
no, don't get it. Don't get that.
Okay.
So far, eggs, honey, cheese. Boom. Just one of them days. Ice Cortado, babes. Not a latte. Okay. Baby, this will have you right. This will have you picking this place up, which is what we need to do. I've got PR to handle. This is what happens when I film. It's giving crazy. It's giving I need a reset. This is a quick little lunch so I can have some energy. It doesn't look appetizing, but that tuna salad is bomb from Whole Foods. It has like onions and there's a lot of flavor. Some croutons, and this is the lunch. Quick and easy and simple and fast because I need to clean up this mess. In this obnoxiously big bowl because I need to do dishes. Don't judge. Lemon grated potatoes, avocado, and my beef that looks dry but has onion, garlic, and a bunch of seasoning. It's just 100% ancestral blend, so it has like other organs and stuff. Tonight we're having a little Canada Dry, and my favorite song is playing in the background. Anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy this. I do what I can. past bedtime, but kitchen is nice and clean. I'm trying this blue bottle coffee. It's New Orleans style iced coffee. New Orleans. This is interesting. It says blended with organic milk, cane sugar, and roasted chicory. Okay. Sip, enjoy, repeat. It's good and it's gonna do the job, but isn't the cup so cute? Dude, like if you're into a mocha coffee, you would like this. Adulting is just cleaning up every single day until you die. Super random, but this is where I keep my decor. I don't know why. Honestly, I should move it over to the cabinet because I have some empty ones over there. But I don't know what else I would put in this cabinet because I can't really reach it. Countertop's in the way, so I can't really reach this. So I feel like if I put anything else in here, it's just like a waste of a cabinet. But I could also just put like extra kitchen stuff and just get on a little ladder to get to it. But get my Halloween stuff out. I'm not too big on decorating. I don't like to have too much stuff out because I already feel like I have a lot out. I do need to go fall shopping because I don't have a lot of fall decor. But I do have October pumpkins and little ghosts and stuff like that. Gonna do that. Very simple, but first I need to clean up. Not too bad today, but just emptying out my bag from yesterday. Some new stuff that came in. Cleaning up. How many things can I carry at once? Almond flour tortilla, turkey, cucumber, tomato, lettuce. Quick and easy. Trying on sneakers. I would never wear them with these socks on clouds. Nike Zoom X. We tried on the Hokas. These are the Bondi 9 in white. I was between the white and the black, but I'm going with the white because they just look a little girlier. They're already like a big bulky shoe. Boom, fresh pair. Thank you.
No problem if you need to know.
All right, thank you. And me and my Havianas. So my brother is buying me the Hokas. So nice of him. I really like these for like every day. They are thinner and they just look cooler. And I love that you don't have to tie them. You can just slip them on. And he's getting some on-cloud socks. Black?
You don't have Hoka socks, huh?
Hoka socks? I love a gum bottom. Like I love when they have a little bit of gum on them. But there's just so many Hokas. But like these were the options. They had black and white, all black. Those are the options, but they didn't have the all white out. He came through with the all white. And it's crazy because my brother wanted all white sneakers, but I ended up with all white sneakers. What? I said that you wanted all white sneakers, and then you walk out with on clouds. Boca sneakies.
Where would you like to go?
El Bajareke restaurant nearby.
Getting directions to El Bajarique restaurant.
El Bajarique. We bougie, man. Don't ever play with us.
I got your little set pot. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like red.
Some of them are.
Bon appetit. We are hungry. same order everywhere I go. Ice cortado, extra ice, oat milk, hazelnut. Best order. Hazelnut is a superior coffee flavor.